first of all, I'm sorry that you're having to see nothing but black, because I am in slight distraught right now. Okay, I really don't know how I'm going to begin with this. Basically, I'm making this video just to explain why there will be no videos from Newport or Cardiff that I have taken earlier today. The whole entire reason being was I filmed all of them on the GoPro instead of on the Sony, because so a lot of the features on the Sony aren't easily accessible, and it's a pain having to go to the menus to change exposure, to change the ISO, just to change a lot, and the things that I just don't really have the energy to pronounce or even talk about properly anymore after what has just happened. Okay, let's just fast forward on. I recorded all videos on the GoPro, and completely out of nowhere, the GoPro was gone during my journey home. It just disappeared out of my pocket. I don't know how. It may have just fallen out somehow. It may have been stolen. I may have been pickpocketed. Either way, I don't know. But just basically everything that I have recorded at Cardiff and Newport has gone with it. And just sorry for what I'm about to say, but I am fucking gutted, because everything that I've taken just feels... This is just I'm just a mess. I mean, I will still be posting the videos from Wales, but after that, nothing else. I might end up having to take a break from the fair circuit for a bit, so it might mean no Hyde Park Winter Wonderland, and might mean no Cardiff New Year Fair. We've now got to that point where I really need to rethink my life through. After just everything that has happened, everything I've had to do, and everything that has just happened today. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really, really sorry.